Have you ever wondered why some people seem to lose weight so effortlessly while others struggle endlessly? It's a question that has puzzled many of us. You see, weight loss isn't just about counting calories or clocking hours at the gym, it's also about understanding the unique biology of our bodies, namely the role of a lesser-known player in weight management, brown adipose tissue. Now let's talk about adipose tissue. It's a fancy name for fat, but not all fats are created equal. There's white fat, the kind we usually think of when we talk about weight gain. This is the stuff that accumulates around our waistlines and thighs, serving as a kind of energy storage. But then there's brown fat, or brown adipose tissue. And this is where things get interesting. Unlike its white counterpart, brown fat is like a built-in furnace. It burns calories instead of storing them. You see, brown fat is packed with mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. These mitochondria give brown fat its distinctive color and its calorie-burning capabilities. So the more brown fat we have, the more calories we can burn, even when we're just sitting around doing nothing. However, here's the twist. Not everyone has the same amount of brown fat. In fact, research shows that overweight individuals often have lower levels of brown adipose tissue. It's as if their bodies are missing out on this calorie-burning superpower. This can make weight loss feel like an uphill battle no matter how hard they try. But what if there was a way to increase our brown fat levels? What if we could tap into this natural calorie-burning potential and make weight loss less of a struggle? Well, recent scientific discoveries suggest that this might be possible. So it turns out that the secret to easier weight loss might be more about the color of our fat than the amount of it. So, what exactly is this brown fat and how does it work? Let's dive right into the science of it. When we think of fat, what usually comes to mind is the white jiggly stuff that we often wish we had less of. But not all fat is created equal. Enter brown adipose tissue, or as it's more commonly known, brown fat. Unlike its white counterpart, brown fat is actually beneficial for your health. Now you might be wondering what makes brown fat different from white fat? Well, the answer lies in their primary functions. White fat, which is the most abundant type of fat in our bodies, stores extra calories in large single cells filled with one big fat droplet. Brown fat, on the other hand, is packed with dozens of smaller fat droplets and a lot of mitochondria, which gives it its distinctive brown color. But here's the fascinating part. These mitochondria are like tiny powerhouses that burn calories to generate heat. This is a process called thermogenesis, and it's the reason why brown fat is often referred to as the good fat. By burning off calories instead of storing them, brown fat helps us maintain our body temperature and, crucially, our body weight. But there's a catch. Several factors can affect the levels of brown fat in our bodies. For one, as we age, our brown fat levels tend to decrease. This is one reason why it can become harder to lose weight as we get older. Temperature also plays a role. Exposure to cold can stimulate the growth of brown fat, which is why people who live in colder climates often have higher levels of brown fat than those who live in warmer areas. Now here's where recent research comes into play. Scientists have discovered that increasing the levels of brown fat in our bodies can help with weight loss. This is because brown fat is more metabolically active than white fat, meaning it burns more calories. And the more calories we burn, the more weight we can potentially lose. So, how can we increase our brown fat levels? Well, one way is through exposure to cold temperatures. But if you're not keen on taking ice baths or moving to Siberia, don't worry. There are other ways to boost your brown fat levels, such as through certain types of exercise and diet. In other words, boosting your brown fat levels could be your ticket to a healthier, slimmer body. But how can you increase your brown fat levels? Enter Puravive. Puravive is more than just a weight loss supplement. It's a natural solution, meticulously designed to support healthy weight loss by specifically targeting low brown adipose tissue levels. What sets Puravive apart from the rest is its unique blend of 8 tropical nutrients, each carefully selected for its potential to help stimulate the production of brown adipose tissue. These tropical nutrients are nature's bounty, providing you with a healthful way to manage your weight. Puravive is a product of rigorous scientific research and innovation, born out of the discovery that low brown adipose tissue levels could be a significant contributor to excess belly fat. The scientists behind Puravive understood the need for a natural, effective solution to this issue, and thus, Puravive was born. Each bottle of Puravive is a testament to the commitment to quality and safety. Manufactured right here in the United States under strict standards, Puravive ensures you are getting a product that meets the highest quality benchmarks. Every ingredient is meticulously sourced and tested for purity and potency. The result? A supplement you can trust. Puravive is also committed to sustainability and inclusivity. Each bottle is plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO, making it a suitable choice for a wide range of dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or simply conscious about what you put into your body, Puravive has you covered. But Puravive's commitment to you goes beyond the product itself. With every purchase, you're also getting a 180-day money-back guarantee. Yes, that's right, half a year to try Puravive risk-free. That's how much faith they have in their product. In the end, what Puravive offers isn't just a solution to a problem, it's a path to a healthier, more confident you. It's not about quick fixes or magic pills, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle one step at a time. With Puravive, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining health. So, what can Puravive do for you? Imagine a solution that not only supports healthy weight loss but also holds the potential to boost your overall well-being. That's what Puravive offers. It's not just about shedding those extra pounds, it's about transforming your health and in turn, your life. One of the primary benefits of Puravive is its potential to increase calorie burning. The secret lies in its unique formulation, specifically designed to target low brown adipose tissue levels. Brown adipose tissue is a type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. By focusing on this aspect, Puravive aids in ramping up your body's calorie-burning engine, making your weight loss journey smoother and more efficient. But that's not all. Puravive is more than just a weight loss aid, it's a confidence booster. We all know how closely our self-esteem is tied to our body image. As you start to see positive changes in your body, you'll likely notice a significant boost in your confidence. It's not about fitting into society's mold of beauty, but about feeling good in your own skin. And Puravive can help you achieve that. Now you might ask, who is Puravive for? Well, it's suitable for individuals over 35 years old or those struggling with excess weight. So if you're in this age bracket or find it hard to shed those stubborn pounds, Puravive could be your ally. It's designed to support your weight loss journey, helping you overcome the challenges that often come with age or persistent weight issues. What makes Puravive even more appealing is its commitment to natural, healthy ingredients. Each bottle of Puravive is plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO. This means you're not filling your body with artificial substances or potential allergens. Instead, you're nourishing it with a blend of 8 tropical nutrients, each chosen for their potential health benefits. Moreover, Puravive is manufactured in the USA under strict standards. This ensures you get a product of high quality, one that you can trust. Plus, it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not satisfied with the results, you can get your money back. No hidden charges, no complicated processes. Remember, Puravive is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. It's a supplement designed to support your weight loss journey and contribute to your overall well-being. It's about empowering you to take charge of your health, to make choices that benefit your body and mind. With Puravive, weight loss is not a struggle, it's a journey to a healthier you. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from those who've tried Puravive. This is where the rubber meets the road, where science meets the lived experience. Real people just like you have experienced the transformative effects of Puravive. Let's delve into some of their stories. Meet Jane, a 42-year-old woman who had been struggling with weight loss for years. After turning to Puravive, she shares, "I've finally found something that works. I've lost 20 pounds and counting, and I've never felt better. The best part? I've regained my confidence." Then there's Robert, a 55-year-old man who was skeptical at first, but after giving Puravive a shot, he confesses, "I was doubtful at the beginning, but then I started losing weight. It was gradual, healthy, and sustainable. I've lost 30 pounds and I feel more energetic than ever." And these are just a couple of the countless testimonials we've received. People of all ages, from all walks of life, have turned to Puravive and experienced real results. They've shed the pounds, and in the process, they've shed their insecurities, their self-doubt, their fears. But here's the thing. Everybody is unique and every weight loss journey is personal. That's why Puravive comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. Yes, you heard it right. If you don't see results within 6 months, you can get your money back, no questions asked. That's how confident we are in our product. Moreover, with Puravive, there are no strings attached. There are no hidden charges, no recurring payments. It's a one-time payment. You pay for what you get, and what you get is a chance to revolutionize your health. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to embrace a healthier, happier version of yourself? Are you ready to experience the confidence that comes with healthy weight loss? Are you ready to say goodbye to fad diets and hello to sustainable results? Remember, with Puravive, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining health, you're gaining confidence, you're gaining a whole new lease on life. You're not just shedding pounds, you're shedding the weight of self-doubt, the weight of insecurity, the weight of fear. So, are you ready to turn up the heat on your weight loss journey? With Puravive, a healthier, happier you is just a bottle away.